Hi everyone, welcome to this iCloud tutorial video. If you've ever encountered a suspension of your WhatsApp API account, this video will help you understand why it happens, how to recover, and how to prevent it. At the end of this video, we'll share a ready-to-use appeal template to help you with account reinstatement. Let's start with the common reasons for account suspension. First, sending unsolicited marketing messages can lead to user complaints or blocks. A high complaint rate can result in account suspension. Second, violating WhatsApp's business policy. This includes selling firearms, drugs, virtual currency, adult services, gambling, etc. And if the Facebook account used during WABA setup is purchased or flagged, your WhatsApp account may be at risk too. It is recommended to use your own old account. If that's not possible, you can create a new account and actively use it for several days to build trust with Facebook. If your account has been suspended, here's how to appeal and recover it. First, lower your expectations. In most cases, permanent suspensions are hard to reverse for WhatsApp API accounts. Then, you can visit the BM's account quality page, where you can see the disabled WABA accounts. Click on the banned WABA to enter the details page to view the reasons for the ban and the appeal process. In the What Can You Do on the right, you will see the next steps you should take. You have one chance to initiate an appeal. It is recommended to passionately explain the situation to the support team in the appeal content. 1. Company or brand info and official website. 2. A true description of why you registered for WhatsApp API to address certain business scenarios, and specifically how you will use it. 3. How the suspension affects your operations. If the suspension greatly affects your existing business, it is recommended to state this in the appeal, such as affecting the sending of a large number of OTPs, preventing customers from logging in. 4th, a statement that you understand and will follow WhatsApp policies. After submission, you'll usually get a response within 1 business day. Of course, the best solution is prevention. Let's continue. Step 1. Make sure your business complies with WhatsApp policies. If your business is in restricted sectors like drugs, tobacco, or gambling, then conducting business on WhatsApp is not feasible. If you have ensured compliance with WhatsApp's policies but are still frequently disabled, you can seek support and assistance from ycloud.com. Step 2. If you represent a well-known business, you can apply for the blue tick, official business account. This shows your business is verified and reduces the risk of suspension. Step 3. Monitor template and number quality. Track user feedback and optimize templates before complaints escalate. When you notice a continuous decline in template or number quality, you need to make some adjustments. Strategies include, first, editing template content. If you believe the template content might be seen as spam or phishing by end users, try revising the template to optimize the content. Next, reshaping the target audience. If you think the information is not relevant to the current audience, change the audience. Step 4, back up your account. Consider creating a backup, WABA, or BM to avoid disruptions in case of suspension. Step 5, send messages users love. Send valuable verification messages such as OTPs or notification messages first, and then gradually move towards promotional content. In summary, account suspensions do happen, but with proper compliance and good practices, you can minimize the risk. Like, subscribe, and comment template to get the appeal template. Got questions? Leave a comment below or visit our official website for more WhatsApp tips. See you in the next video.